day 30. So it's the last day of my shift. It's 31 I meant, and tomorrow will be a new month, and tomorrow will be a new month. So I'm really looking forward to my 11, or going back to 9 to 6, which is 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. and I really want to hit a 10,000 step a day. So it's not really 10,000 depending on what my step is, but I think it's around 4 kilometers. I might not be right though, because as I recall, it's around 4,500 steps, so that's two-way around 9,000. But the best part is that I can manage to do my workout. So that's around 40 minutes of walking or 1 hour of walking, brisk walking. So I will do that when I go to work. But when I go back, or when I want to get home, I'll do a jogging a little bit more faster than that, because it's around 6 a.m. and yeah, that's pretty much all the things that I am looking forward to. And aside from that, I might be looking for a new job, because the whole department will be vanished, so we're just being transferred to a new department. And depending on the company, or depending on the salary, I might be looking for someone or some company now, because the reason why I stayed there is because of the account. It's a little bit easier. So if they put me on a harder account and the raise is not substantial enough for me to actually sustain myself, so I think I might need to do that. But I'm happy because I boost my confidence, as well as I did have an experience on my resume, as well as I buy that PC over there. That's all. Goodbye.